this is completely dead, and it was on the carpet. Not moving at all, only because of all the other vibration. Oh wait, did I turn it off? Yep. Fell in there. That works. This isn't getting dead, but it looks like it's acting like it is. Whoa, that one's getting dead. Where'd the gravity glue go? Favorite one, red and green motion. Oops. Sorry. I'm sorry about that, red and green. Oh. Orange spine. I love the orange spine on it too. That looks awesome. I think this is my favorite black one because this black with orange and white is very cool. Well, this one will work, but not that one. But now they're just running off. They're not even hitting now. Uh-oh, this one was dead underneath the hive. Well, we get that one where that round dead. And it was just going on there.